All right, so we are continuing. Um, Today we are going to look at how to compare, the CVs, the various candidates that we have in our inbox. And in my last video, which you would see at the end of this video, just check at the top right corner. We went through how to screen CVs with this AI tool. Now we are going to take it a bit further. And what we are going to look at is how to decide who the best candidate is. So, one thing that we should know is screening CV is another thing in the recruitment cycle. It's basically the first stage in the recruitment. Then the most difficult task is we choosing or an HR choosing the best candidates. That's where most of the hiring decisions often becomes difficult. So here we already have the prompts. Our cloud is being connected to the inbox. So we are giving cloud the instruction to compare the candidates based on the CVs that has been able to screen through. Then for each candidate, it should identify the key strengths, the, the gaps, then also rank all the candidates from, the best fit to the least candidates. Afterwards, it should recommend um, the candidate that should be shortlisted for the interview and also provide the results in a table form. This helps you to structure your hiring process by making sure that all the candidates that you are considering for an interview, you have them in a structured form. Then further, we are giving it an instruction to provide us with any risk that could be possibly associated with any of the top candidates that it shall recommend. Let's go ahead to give the prompt. So we have Cloud doing a very great job for us. It's been able to identify the top, candidates for us. We have the top candidates being here. We have the filters here. You can use the filters to, filter the number of people that were shortlisted. You can use, this one to know the people that uh, you can consider as well. The all is letting you know um, the total number of applicants that um, were being compared, that the CVs that were being compared. Then you can apply the filters to, I mean, go through them. Then we give, Cloud this prompt that it should look at the risk that is associated with we hiring the top candidates, and they was able to tell us what we should do if we should hire that candidate um, as well. Then after reviewing the CV, the AI tool was able to determine the level of understanding of the job applicants concerning the role. And you can all bear me witness that in the age of AI, we have um, a lot of candidates having their CV drafted, being drafted by AI tools, and it looks so good on paper, and it's becoming a whole lot when trying to find good talent. So, Cloud can help you in comparing these candidates to identify their level of understanding with regards to the role. So here you could see that it stated clearly that most candidates can build dashboard, but few demonstrate genuine understanding of HR metrics. And that's something that as a recruiter, you can have this in mind. If I'm the one doing, conducting this hiring process. And it went further to also let you know what you could put in place if you should go ahead to hire such people. Then um, it was able to also, recommend what's suitable, that instead of maybe hiring one person, if the budget is more, then it is recommending that you hire, two people, um, having a top person and a junior subordinate for them to work in that role. So you realize that the recommendation, we have Abigail and Francis being paired together for a full stack role rather than a single uh, candidate. That's only if your budget allows. So here the shortlisted recommendation is being given. Um, yeah, so this is what Cloud can help you comparing various CVs within a shortest possible time as an HR. And we know in the hiring process, speed also matters. For instance, if you are supposed to, screen through, thousands of CVs and also conduct interviews, it's a whole lot of work. And you should also bear in mind that Cloud is not making the decision for you. Uh, it is just supporting, you, just working as a partner, partnering you to make a better decision. And as an HR professional, you shouldn't ignore your human judgment, and also you should also consider your I mean some of the cultural factors in your organization if that candidate um, suits your culture. And also you should make sure that The last thing that I would say, recommend for you as an HR professional, whenever you are using this AI tool, is to make sure that you validate the information that is being provided here, and you you'll be in a better position to, ensure fairness uh, in your hiring decision.